If you did the on-page SEO, why is your store still not appearing higher in results? The answer is domain authority. How do you build authority for your Shopify store with SEO? This is where off-page SEO comes in, but most people ignore it. This is why you can do much better than your competitors by putting time into off-page SEO. And the most important part of it is backlinks. So what exactly is a backlink? A backlink is simply a link from another website that points to your store. Think of it as a vote of confidence. If other trusted websites are linking to you, Google assumes your store is more credible, and that helps your products, blogs, and pages rank higher in search results. Now, how do you actually get these backlinks? The first way is to create content that people want to link to. This could be detailed blog posts, guides, or tutorials related to your niche. For example, if you sell golf gear, writing a blog like 10 tips to improve your golf swing gives you something valuable that other sites might reference. The second way is guest posting. Many platforms and blogs allow free guest publishing if you reach out. Medium, LinkedIn articles, and niche industry blogs are all places where you can write and include a link back to your store. The key is to provide genuine value and not just self-promotion. The third way is outreach. Find bloggers, small publishers, or even journalists in your niche. Send them a friendly email introducing your store, maybe offer to send them your product as a sample, or suggest a collaboration. If they write about you, they'll often link back, which builds strong authority for your store. So just start searching top blogs in your niche and drop them an email. The fourth way is partnerships. You can connect with other store owners or creators in related niches. You write an article for them, they write one for you, and both of you get backlinks out of it. This is a very common practice that people do to build authority. Now, let's talk about backlink services. Yes, there are services where you can buy backlinks. The pros are that it's fast and you can get a lot of links quickly in a week without needing to do any of the things we mentioned above. But the cons are serious. If these links come from spammy websites, Google can detect it and your rankings may drop. If you ever use a backlink service, make sure it's from high quality, relevant sites, not just random spam blogs. Over time, you will have lots of good websites linking back to you, making you rank much higher than you would without them. Always focus on quality over quantity. A few trusted backlinks are worth much more than hundreds of low-quality ones. And that's the core of off-page SEO. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Shopify SEO tips and check out the other videos in this SEO series.